हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग पॉइजन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक्सरसाइज 9.5 क्लास 12 फ्रॉम एम एल अग्रवाल से बाकी का जो क्वेश्चंस है उसको सॉल्व करने का कोशिश करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, 10% of the bolts produced in a certain factory turn out to be defective. Find the probability using Poisson's distribution that in a sample of 10 bolts chosen at random, exactly 2, question number 1, exactly 2 and more than 2 bolts will be defective. Take e to the power minus 1 equals to 0.368. Now the solution. Here is the solution. P equals to 10% equals to 0.1, n equals to 10, therefore lambda equals to, lambda means mean, n into p equals to 0.1 into 10, make it 1. For r equals to 2, p2 is equal to e raised minus 1 e raised minus 1 into 1 square by 2 factorial equals to 0.368 into 1 divided by 2 factorial, make it to 0.184. And for part 2, r greater than 2, it makes p3 plus p4 plus p10. It makes 1 minus p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p2, 1 minus e to the power minus 1 into 1 to the power 1 raised 0 by 0 factorial plus e raised minus 1 into 1 to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus e to the power minus 1 into 1 square by 2 factorial. 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by into 1 plus half, which will make it 1 minus 0.368 into 5 by 2, which will make it 1 minus 0.92, which makes 0.08. Here is the solution. Now for question number 12, at a busy traffic intersection, the probability of an individual car having an accident is very small, say p equals to 0.01. However, during a certain part of the day, a large number of cars, say 1000, pass through the intersection. Under these conditions, what is the probability of 2 or more accidents occurring during the period? Use e raised minus 0.1 equals to 0.9048. P equals to 0.0001, n equals to 1000, therefore lambda means mean is equal to n into p is equal to 1000 into 0.0001, which makes 0.1. Now we have to find p of more than 2, which more than equals to 2. So p2 plus p3 plus till p1000, which makes 1 minus p0 plus p1, which will make it 1 minus e to the power minus 0.1 into 0.1 raised 0 by 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 0.1 into 0.1 raised 1 by 1 factorial. Further, 1 minus 0.1 into 1 by 1 plus 0.1 by 1. 1 minus 0.9048 into 1.1, which will make it 1 minus 0.99528, which will make it 0.00472. Now question number 13. There is 500 boxes, each containing 1000 ballot papers for election, and the chance that a ballot paper is defective is 0.002. Assuming Poisson's distribution, find the number of boxes containing at most 2 defective ballot papers using e to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.1353. So here is the solution. P equals to 0.002, n equals to 1000. Here is the lambda equals to 0.002 into 1000, make it 2. So you have to find p of r less than equals to 2, to p0 plus p1 plus p2. Therefore e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus e to the power minus 2 into 2 square by 2 factorial, e to the power minus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 4 by 2, which will make it e to the power minus 2 into 5 equals to 0.1353 into 5, which will make it 0.6765. Therefore, required number of boxes is equal to 0.6765 into 500, which will make it 338 boxes approximately. Now question number 14. Assuming that 200 misprints are distributed randomly throughout a book containing 500 pages, find the probability that a given page contains exactly two misprints and two or more misprints. So here is the solution. N equals to 200, P equals to 1 by 500. So lambda equals to N into P, which will make it 200 into 1 by 500 is equal to 0.4. So P2 is equal to e raised minus 0.4 into 0.4 whole square by 2 factorial equals to 0.670 into 0.16 divided by 2, which will make it 0.0536. Now for question number 2, P2 plus P3 plus till P200, which will make it 1 minus P0 plus P1, which will make it 1 minus e to the power minus 0.4 into 0.4 raised 0 by 0 factorial plus 0.4 raised 1 by 1 factorial, which will make it 1 minus 0.670 into 1 plus 0.4. Further, 1 minus 0.67 into 1.4 equals to 1 minus 0.1 minus 0.938, which will make it 0.062. Now question number 15. A box contains 200 tickets, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 200. 20 tickets are drawn successively with replacement from the box. Find the probability that at most 4 tickets bear numbers divisible by 20. So n equals to 20, p equals to 10 by 100 equals to 1 by 20. Here is the mean. Mean equals to 20 into 1 by 20, make it 1. So p r less than equals to 4, p0 plus p1 p4, e to the power minus 1 into 1 raised 0 by 0 factorial, 1 raised 1 by 1 factorial, 1 raised 2 by 2 factorial, 1 raised 3 by 3 factorial, plus 1 raised 4 by 4 factorial, e to the power minus 1, 1 plus 1 plus half plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24, which will make it 0.368 into 65 by 24, make it 0.9967. Okay, here is the first part and following after the second part. Thank you everyone.